Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Windows 11 build and creating a restore point so you can undo changes if needed. Once done, disconnect all non-essential peripherals to avoid device conflicts and test with minimal hardware. Next, open Device Manager, find the device showing driver is unavailable, and note its exact name and vendor. You will try quick fixes first. Uninstall the device entry, then scan for hardware changes. These actions refresh driver associations without immediately changing system files. Now move into deeper repair. Obtain the correct driver from the device maker or the Microsoft Update Catalog to ensure compatibility. While you have the file, run dism restore health followed by sfc/scano to repair corrupt system components that block driver loading. After system repairs, install the driver manually through Device Manager, choose Update Driver, then browse My Computer and pick the downloaded files, or use compatibility mode for older INF packages. Make sure to reboot after installation. To finish, verify the device functions and run one last reboot. Many driver changes require a fresh kernel session to load correctly. If the issue persists, roll back to a previous driver version or restore the system to the point you created earlier. If that fails, open Event Viewer and filter for driver or kernel errors to capture codes and messages. These tell you why Windows marked the driver unavailable. If needed, gather logs and contact OEM support, or use Windows Recovery to repair deeper system faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.